going on, guys? We are with the gs350 again, and the forged carbon fiber wrap finally came in. So we're going to be wrapping the, I guess, the wood trim on the interior and see how I like it. So yeah, this is the forged carbon fiber wrap. Doesn't look anything like the GSF forged carbon, but yeah, this is gonna be going right here, and I'm just gonna do a small piece on this wood trim right here, just to see how I like it and how it goes with the carbon fiber here. And then yeah, see how I like it. And then if not, I'll probably just go the this carbon fiber on here as well. So this piece is supposed to just pop off. It's easy enough. There we go. I don't know how I like it compared to this. Kind of just looks like camo. How does it look? Let me know. Here's the differences: regular carbon fiber and then the forged carbon fiber. Doesn't look too bad. Here it is in the daylight. It's still not sure about it. Asked my wife to see if she liked it. She said it looked tacky, but then I don't know, it adds that something, I don't know, different to the car. Still on the fence about it. Today we're going to be wrapping the steering wheel with a steering wheel cover from East Detailing. So I think if you've watched my previous videos, I have wrapped the steering wheel cover, or wrapped the steering wheel before. So yeah, this is probably like the third car I've had the steering wheel wrapped, but yeah, we'll just get right into it. So I did a test fit on the car yesterday, and it fit all right. And what I got was I opted for the perforated leather and suede. So there's nothing actually wrong with the existing steering wheel now. It's still pretty clean, but I just don't like the feel of it. The slippery leather kind of feels, I don't know. I want something with a bit more grip. The only defect there is right here. There's a little scratch, or like, I don't know, someone rubbed their nail or something on it. But yeah, it's still pretty good, decent condition steering wheel. But yeah, just want a little bit more thickness and grip. So I went with the perforated leather. But yeah, let's get to it. I already put like the double-sided tape on the inside of it, but they labeled it with like F and B, so front and back. So you just put the front like so. This, gonna line it up with the little disconnect is on the steering wheel. Just gonna make sure it's in the middle before I tape it up. So yeah, I think that's about where I want it, and I'm just going to remove the backing on the double-sided tape now. Alrighty, tape is all on there, and hopefully once I start sewing it, all this little extra skin will kind of get pulled tight. So they give you a needle and thread. What I like to do is basically like double thread it, kind of, so get like do it like this, and then since I'm doing this part right here, I kind of want to get like double that just in case. But yeah, we'll just thread this needle in and then get started.
It's about damn time.
There you go. This little corner is done. It feels pretty good. Hopefully, once I tuck this in here, it'll take away all this loose skin. Here it is, all done. Feels pretty good. I already took it out for a drive this morning. I still have to adjust it in the back right here. There's still a lot of extra space back here, so whenever you hold it, you can feel the little excess there. Hopefully I can just stick some of that tape that they provided back here, just to stick it to the wheel, and that should be good. But yeah, feels good. Nice little upgrade. Yeah, just a quick video installing this steering wheel cover. I like it. Feels pretty good. But yeah, for those that have messed up steering wheels or just don't like the feeling of like the OEM steering wheel, this adds a little bit of thickness to it, makes it feel a bit sportier, and then it's got some good hand feel to it. So yeah, that's about it. Till the next one, see you guys later. Peace.